Hello, Matt from Demolition Ranch, and I have a question for you. The question is, I've seen your padlock video, and it's really interesting, because it's just interesting. But I'm wondering, how many padlocks, like a normal cheap $50 padlock, or in that area, would stop a incendiary round? If you're watching this and you see this, and you happen to stumble upon it, please answer the question. I really would love to see Matt from Demolition Ranch to try that out. See how many locks would stop a black tip.